Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting Top Thrill 2 construction update. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend, and for those of you who made it to the park for Halloweekends, I hope you had a spooktacular time. Now, let's dive right into the latest developments for the week ahead. First off, let's take a closer look at the top hat. It's really coming together and looking impressive. However, as of noon today, it seems that there hasn't been any new progress. The focus of today's work primarily revolves around the spike, where diligent workers are in the final stages of connecting the track to the spike's structural supports. Shifting our attention to the Breakers Express storage lot, there hasn't been any new activity over the weekend. But there's exciting news to share as we've spotted fresh spike structural supports staged on the midway just this morning. This suggests that the spike's ascent to its towering 420-foot height is imminent. We can't wait to see this thrilling milestone come to life in the coming days. Rest assured, we'll be closely monitoring the project and will bring you updates promptly as soon as any new developments unfold. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey, and stay tuned for more exciting Top Thrill 2 construction updates. We hope you enjoyed today's Top Thrill 2 construction update. Remember to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on the progress of Top Thrill 2. And we'll see you next time on Lake Erie Lifestyles.